like severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tualatin County in northern Utah until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 18 miles east of Wendover, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Knowles, Utah Test and Training Range North and Bonneville Salt Flats. This includes Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 11 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Allen County, Tualatin, Utah.
Neighborhood every day on PBS Kids. And watch anytime you want on the PBS Kids video app.
Elwood City, a peaceful town
No, it isn't. It is too.
where any average friend could say the wrong thing.
Okay, I'm officially bored.
Arthur, every night at 9, 8 Central on PBS.